What is EMF? EMF is electromagnetic fields. EMF is energy. It is composed of electricity and magnetism. A little bit of EMF is natural, like the sunlight, what comes from lightning, things of those nature. However, our bodies are getting constantly bombarded by electromagnetic field radiation through most common sources: microwaves, televisions, your cell phone, your Wi-Fi router, your computers. So they're everywhere. They're constantly hitting our system, and they build up in our energy field, and they lead to anxiety and things of that nature. And we build up these ions in our field. That's why grounding and earthing are so important. There's ways to protect yourself from electromagnetic frequencies. Shutting off your Wi-Fi router at night, like don't use your cell phone when it's plugged in. Try to limit your exposure just in general to the electromagnetic fields. Learning about it is the first step. Becoming aware of these electromagnetic fields that are all around us. They're proven by science. We can't see them though, because the visible light spectrum is only 1% by our naked eye, but they're everywhere floating around, and depending on their wavelength depends on what they fall on the spectrum. There are different ways you can help protect your energy field. I know there's multiple different things you can buy. One thing would be like a organite, a pyramid with copper or gold flakes. We see now that the aluminum foil is also another protector from these electromagnetic frequencies. So there's plants you can get as well. Earthing is great. I think the snake plant, the pothos, those are two really common house plants that help absorb radiation. So do beans. Beans will help remove it and clear it from your body as well. And there's all kinds of baths, and I'm sure there's so much more on how to actually clear, but just bringing awareness to the fact that we have electromagnetic frequencies in our atmosphere, in our homes, in our workplaces of employment. So depending on where you work, like nurses, doctors, things like that, if you are around a lot of electronics on a regular basis, you should really be doing some sort of detox or protecting and shielding your energy, because this can cause so many different things. It can disrupt the DNA, it can cause cancer, it can cause hormonal imbalances, like the list goes on and on and on. So the first step is just becoming aware that there are EMFs and that they are dangerous. Also doing some research on some ways to protect yourself from EMFs. If you love plants like me, you can go get some house plants. This is a good excuse. And we can look at this like through the eyes of a scientist, or would that be a physicist? So our EMF exposure is 1 trillion times greater than what is found in nature. I don't tell you how to live your life, but I'm here to raise awareness, to help bring access consciousness of this energy field, this electromagnetic spectrum that we can't see, but it's here, it's everywhere. I really hope this video was helpful. If you watched to the end, thanks. Peace, love, and light.